In previous videos, we discussed some ways of solving systems of linear algebraic equations. In the next few videos, I'd like to discuss sensitivity of these solutions. This is to say, what is the effect on the solution of small errors or small deviations, small uncertainties in the input data? A related question is, what is the effect of the round of errors which are inevitable? This will be the subject of next two videos. After that, I'd like to discuss a set of additional topics in linear algebra. Specifically, if your matrix has a special structure, we can use it. And I'm going to discuss several specific examples of using the special structure of a matrix. And finally, I'd like to shift gears to a different topic, to a different matrix factorization, the so-called QR decomposition, which is a basis of quite a few additional numerical methods.